Welcome guys, in this video I have something special. I got a package from United States, and this package sent one of my subscriber and my friend. He sent to me as a gift, so I received it finally, and now today I'm making a video about unboxing. So I want to show you what's inside of the box. So without wasting the time, just open it. So first of all, I already opened the packaging. And now you can see here the United Post Service, and this is from United States. One of my subscriber and my friend sent to me. So now I want to open this. So guys, you can see here the information mentions from United States and address Los Angeles. And now just it is the package. So guys, here is the main package. It's a small box, and I don't know what's inside of this box. Let's open it now. We have a list. We have a list inside of the Fitbit watch and t-shirts, 3 pieces, sunglasses, handmade bracelet, and wallet, sorry. And we have 5 things in the box, in this small box. Oh, I'm so wonder. In the small box we have 5 things. So let's see what's inside of the box. Wow, what's this? I think these are the t-shirts. Wow, these are the t-shirts. I think these are 2 t-shirts. Wow. one t-shirt, this one, and another. This is another one t-shirt, and this one is also t-shirt. Wow, we have a sunglasses, looking so nice. I have sunglasses, and we have a wallet. Wow, what's inside of a wallet? Wow, we have a $20. Wow, that's nice. I love this. And what's this? This is the bracelet. And this is what's this? Yeah, I think this is a charger for charging the watch. And what's this? I don't know what's this. Let's open it. Wow, we have a watch, Fitbit watch. I will make another video. In the video I will review this watch, and I will connect with my mobile phone, and I will show you how to connect this watch with your mobile phone. I will make another video. You can see some nice looking watch. Here we have a paperwork or something else. Let's open it. Here we have a card, and here is a small diary. The Chinese are mentioned how to use and how to setting and something else. That's it. So we have a sunglasses, bracelet, wallet, $20, and charger, and here is the watch. It is my favorite watch. I will make another video, and I will review this watch with the detail. And we have 3 shirts. You can see this is the list of items. So thank you so much for sending me this gift. I really love all these things, and thank you so much. I love you so much, and I really want to say thank you so much again and again for showing your love. And I want to say all my subscribers and views, thanks all of you to subscribe my channel. And please, if you like this video, please share my video and also subscribe my channel. See you in the next one. Take care.